Hello, Mark Fernley here and welcome to Untamed Photo Safaris, and we are here at the Lumo Conservancy at Lions Bluff Hide. Now this is part of the Lions Bluff Lodge, which is just up the hill there, and also Cheetah Tented Camp, that is part of the Soroi collection. Now, this hide here is the Lions Bluff Hide, and it is a great hide, especially for getting those fisheye shots of elephants and zebra that are most famous online, and especially with the night photography where you can get photographs of lions and servals and leopards if you're lucky. But most of all, this photo hide that sits for wildlife photographers and a photo host. It's exceptionally good for your wildlife photography, getting low to the ground and getting those mirrored images of animals drinking. Now, in wildlife photography, as I always say and I always stress, is you always get under the animal, get lower, and make the animal seem bigger and more impressive. And that's what makes these images strike out here in these photographic hides. Now, the photographic hides that I'm standing next to offers a great variety of lighting that can light up the animals at night. The photographs that we've been getting, such as the serval that we had last night, the serval came round here, came to drink. We used 70 to 200 to get that shot, and then we also managed to get the 300 prime lens to get a really nice close-up of that. And we'd like to show you during this video also the photographs that we've been getting of the elephants that have been coming basically 20 centimeters from our 24 to 105 lenses. Anyway, I've been talking too much, so let's get you in the hide and we'll show you what this thing is all about, okay? Okay, so we're at the back of the hide here, and this is where you get into the hide. So it's situated quite far back from the area where you photograph, so it's quite quiet when the people from the lodge bring you the food. So let's get started and let's take you in. So this is the door to the entrance of the hide. Now, at the back of the hide there's a toilet and a wash sink, so when you want to refresh yourself and also go to the bathroom, it's quite quiet, so there's no disturbance to the wildlife. And the great thing about this is there's a tunnel that goes all the way through underground. So let's go through this tunnel and see what's in the photographic hide. Okay, so let's go in. So this section of the photographic safari hide, we have 4 beds. So during the night photography, you can sleep, and then your photo host or your guide can wake you up when the wildlife is here. Okay, so as we see here, we have a live camera where we can see the front of the hide, the back of the hide, and the sides of the hide. So this is great for when we're in the back here doing our post-processing editing. Over here we have the communication to the safari lodge. Tea and coffee is served, and this is where we store our meals. The fresh water is here. So basically this part of the hide is where guests get to relax a bit, can talk very softly, quietly, but not too loud to not interfere with the wildlife. But let's go into the photographic session area, which is through here. Okay, so we're in the photographic hide area where the magic happens. Now, the photographic hide offers 4 spaces for 4 guests, giving plenty of room to photograph the wildlife when they come to drink. So the ideal spots here, you get low to the ground. Each different window is absolutely great for getting low angle shots that really strike out and make the animal look really large in the images. The mirrored reflections that you get from these photographs are absolutely astonishing when it's low light and when the lights are on. When it comes to photographing the animals at night, these operate the lights in the photographic hides, which will work really well. And we'll show you some photographs of that serval that I was telling you about. So, as myself and my wife have been in the photographic hide for some time, we're just going to show you some of the photographs that we've got from just 2 days being in the hide. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, enjoy this video.